Hey guys, welcome back to another video with South Bay Hyundai. My name is Zach Corwin, and today we'll be going over the smart liftgate feature on the 2022 Palisade. This feature is standard on trim levels SEL Premium and above. There are 4 ways to open your smart liftgate. The first way is with the key fob. There's a button here, says hold. Hold it down for a couple seconds. Secondly, of course, you have your button underneath where it says Palisade. Again, you just click it there and it easily opens. You can also open the smart liftgate by holding this button right here. Lastly, you have to make sure your car is locked. Walk away from the car, and let's say you have groceries in your hand and you want somebody to open the car for you, but you don't have anybody there handy. All you need to do is walk up to your car, get within proximity, you'll hear a couple beeps, and then the liftgate will open automatically. So let's say you're somebody that prefers your door to open a little lower, whether it's your garage door or you just prefer it that way. You can pull it down manually and then hold the close feature until you hear a beep. And then every time you open your liftgate from then on, it will open to that level. So to enable the smart liftgate, you start at the home menu, go to setup, vehicle, down to door, and then you'll see the smart liftgate, which is now enabled. Thank you guys for watching our video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below and we'll make sure to answer them.